Hi friends, today in this session we will discuss about number series. Okay, so in many of the competitive exams and in many of the aptitude tests and interview process, these number series definitely you will got for 5 marks or more than that, not less than. Okay, so simply they will give a set of pattern like this the set of pattern they will give like this number some numbers random numbers they will give, and they will give a question mark over here. Okay, you need to find the logic over there and find the set of pattern it is following, so you will make it as 14 for this. Okay. Okay, so basically in number series they will follow certain pattern. So basically there are types of number series. That means there are some topics we have. So basically we have addition series. In this number series they will follow some addition series pattern, and like the first one is like addition series addition. Okay, so it will follow some addition series. For example, addition series in the sense like take an example so that you will get a clear idea. Okay, uh, so they will give numbers like this: 3, 6, 11. So try to find the logic over here. Okay, I'm writing the numbers carefully: 18, 27, and they will give here a question mark and here a 51. So these are the numbers actually: 3, 6, 11, and 18 and 27, and here a question mark. We need to find the number that will come here over here. Okay, so think for 2 seconds and try to answer the logic over here. Okay, so the logic here follows is actually like if you see the first two numbers, the difference is 3. If you see the next two numbers, the difference is 5. If you see the next two numbers, the difference is 7. If you see the next two numbers, the difference is 9. And what so we need to follow the question mark. Okay, so simply, so they are following certain pattern: 3, 5, 7, 9, and the, so we will get the difference here 11. So 27 plus 11 is going to be 38. 38. So this is our answer. So see friends how easy it was. So basically what I told you now is like this is the addition series you will get in your examination. So the examiner will give you like this kind of pattern, and they will miss one object like one number in between, and they will so we need to find the logic and fill the theory accordingly. For like this only we have addition series now. So like this only you also have a subtraction series. So let's see one more example from subtraction series, so you will get some idea over there. Okay, the next type of problem they will ask is like I hope all are you following my explanation. Okay, so if you have any doubt, comment me below, I can respond you accordingly. Okay, so next question is like subtraction series. This is the second series they will give: subtraction sub series. Okay, so basically it's very simple. Okay, they will give set of pattern numbers like this. So they will give a question mark over here we need to follow. So 50, 45, 40, 35. So the next number definitely will be going to be 30. So this is the subtraction series, very easy one. So they will also ask these kind of things in examination. Okay, so the next series I'm going to explain you is the like third one, that is like so it is very interesting one, like interesting question. So I hope many of you like not able to answer this question. If you are answer to this question, you are almost prepared for number series topic. Okay, so the question is going to be third topic in number series. So that is like based on multiplication. Okay, multiplication series. Okay, So the question is this very simple question, but you need to answer carefully before giving the answer. Okay. So 5, and then the next number would be 11. The next number would be 24.2, and the next number would be 53.24. So this is the question. This is that kind of number series questions they will give in most of the examinations. So see this pattern and try to elevate the answer in your mind. So I'm telling the answer. If you want to think, you can pause this video and think the solution. Okay, then you can unpause the video. So what is the relation between you found between these numbers? Is like, so we need to find this number over here. Okay, so between 5 and 11 means 5 is exactly, so 5 is exactly 2.2 times 2.2 times to 11. Similarly 11 is exactly 2.2 times to 24.2. In the same way, 24.2 is 2.2 times of 53.24. So we need to find 53.24 into 2.2. So the answer is going to be, you can calculate. So the answer is going to be 117.128. So these are the main calculations they will give in many of the examinations. So the examiner want to test your skills, and they will give the multiplication tricks, multiplication things. So simply remember one thing. So if the number is keep on increasing, so see 5, 11, 24.2 and 53.24, and keep on increasing means, so you need to blindly remember it is definitely a multiplication, increasing on the multiple series. So you need to think that it is involved in multiplication series. So you need to calculate in by thinking certain kind of logic over there. Okay. So moving to next topic, that is division series. Division series, as I said previously. So this division series is like, so let me take one example so it is easy for you to calculate. So 4096 and 1024. Try to calculate the answer in your mind. If you don't do want some more time, pause this video and try to calculate this answer. Okay. So the numbers is like 4096, 1024, 256, and a question mark over here, and 16 at last. Okay, I hope you understand what I written. And 4096, think actually. So I hope you got the answer. It's very easy one. 4096 is exactly 4 times to 1024. Similarly, okay, 1024 is exactly 4 times to 256, and 256 exactly 4 times to which number? 64. So the answer is going to be 64. So these kind of questions will be asked, no, asked. Okay. So so simply remember one thing. If the numbers keep on decreasing, like we started at 4000, and in the end it comes to 16. So it's very less number, right? So if the numbers are keep on decreasing, so we need to remember like it is a division series. So it can be answered in a easy manner. Okay. Follow this set of topics we are divided to remember easily. So the next series is going to be square series. Square series is nothing but it's a very easy one. Okay. So next is a square series. So let me write a set of pattern so it will be easy for you to remember. So 49, 121, 169, and a big question mark over here. And next is like 361. So you can do it, right? So try to answer this question. It's very easy one. So 49 is the square for which number? 49 is the square for 7. 49 is the square for 7 square. Similarly, 121 11 square, 169 13 square, and here question mark. So it is following certain pattern. I hope you got it. Okay. So see here, 7 square, 11 square, and 13 square. So it is 4 increase, 2 increase. So 4 increase. So we need to find 17 square over here. 17 square. Okay. So 17 square. So what is the 17 square? So I'm telling once again. So seven squares and cubes and all these tricks are art for any government exam and competitive exams, aptitude exams. So if you don't know how to calculate squares like immediately, I'm giving this squares tricks link in the description. So you can visit that video once. So it will be very easy to calculate squares for you. So 17 square, so if you learn the trick, it is very easy for you to calculate the squares. So 17 square is 289. Okay. So 17 square is 289. So answer is going to be 289 is our answer. So see friends, how easy it was if you learn squares over here. So just now we discussed square tricks now, like square series now. Similarly, we also have cube series. So do remember these divided topics to crack this number series topic easily. So let me take another example for you to to answer this kind of tricks easily. So I'm writing one pattern, try to answer it immediately. So 8 I'm taking as the first number, and the second number is 64, and third number is 216, and the last number is 100. So I'm also providing the cube tricks link. So visit that video also, so that you can also remember easily cubes trick also. Okay, for any number 1 to 1000 numbers. Okay, so the links I'm providing in the below, that that video contains 1 to 1000 squares and cubes, so you can remember that squares and cubes easily. So I hope you find the logic. So 8 is like 2 cube. 8 is nothing but a 2 cube, and 4 cube is 64. Similarly 6 cube is 6 cube. And I also told in that video how to remember from 1 to 10 cubes easily. And if you remember from 1 to 10 cubes, it will be very easy to crack 1 to 1000 cubes easily. So 2 cube, 4 cube, 6 cube, and now 8 cube. So if you know 8 cube, so answering this kind of questions is very simple in any kind of examination. Okay, so 8 cube is nothing but 512. Okay, so if you write 5, if you pick the option of 512, that would be your answer. Okay, I hope you understand. Moving forward to the next kind of series. Next series is nothing but Fibonacci series. So I already explained you what is a Fibonacci series. So Fibonacci series is nothing but the next number is the addition of previous two numbers. For example, I am giving you one example. So what is, so you can simply remember what is Fibo. What is Fibonacci series? Okay, so you can simply remember. I'm providing you one kind of example so that you can remember easily forever. So 2, 3, 5. Here we are having. So if you take 5, if you take 5 number, so if you add the previous two numbers 2 and 3, it will giving the current position, that is 5. So that is the Fibonacci series. So in this kind of questions also will be asked in any kind of examination. So do remember this Fibonacci series series. So for example, if you want any example, so I can give you. Okay, for example, like let's take 12, 13, 25, 38, and take a question mark over here, and next is like 1 at 1. So 12 plus 13 is going to be 25. 25 plus 25 plus 38 is your answer. Okay, so if you add 38 and 25, 63 is your answer. So do remember these kind of models also, like very important for any government exams, any like any aptitude examination. So until now we have seen almost seven different kind of topics we usually got in any aptitude exam. Yeah, like, so I hope you all remember these kind of series like topics to attend number series topics. Still we have two to three models, I'm also explaining that. So this video is taking some time. I hope you all understand. So we have different models in number series. So that is the reason we are looking this much time. Yeah. So still we have three more models, or three more ways they will create a question for you in any kind of examination. So like eighth model is going to be alternating series. So alternating series. Let's take directly one example, so you will get some idea over the question I'm saying. So try to crack the answer. If you want time, you can pause this video and try your answer. So this is the question. Actually, I'm reading the numbers for you, like 2, 29, 4, 25, 6, question mark over here, and 8 and 17. So you need to calculate the missing number. So if you see the pattern, if you want to answer, just pause this video and answer yourself. Okay, so like 2 becomes 4, alternate. 4 becomes 6, 6 becomes 8. So it is over. Okay, similarly, 29 becomes 25 minus 4, again minus 4. So answer is going to be 21. Okay, I hope you understand this model. So let's moving forward to the next kind of model we usually have in our examinations. That is like arranging number. Uh, I'm reading the question for you. So they will give a question like this. Like they will give certain kind of number. Okay, let me write that number. They will give a 3. Mostly this question will be asked in reasoning very well. Okay, 3, 8, 1 and 5 looks like a postal code. Okay, 381576. Okay, so they will give this question. They will say like the position of how many numbers remains same if they are rearranged in ascending order. Okay, so they are asking the position of how many numbers remains same if they are arranged in ascending order. Ascending order in the sense small to big number. So ascending order means like, so one is a least number, 1, 3, and next is 5. Okay, so next is 6 and 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. So how many numbers place is not changing? Only 7. So you can pick one, only one number has does not change his position. So this is also one kind of topic. And the last kind of model they will ask is like mixed logics. So mixed logics is nothing but like they will give multiple logics, like n square plus 1, 2. Like you need to be prepared for this question. 2n square plus 1, they will definitely like all, or n square minus n, n square minus n, or n cube minus n. So n is nothing but a given number. So like the you need to calculate like n number of logics and try to find the answer for every given question. So I hope you all very well enjoyed this number series topic I provided you on the digital screen. So if you like this experience, give me a comment so that I can follow now onwards like this only. Okay. So thank you for watching this video till end. So I hope you all like the this 10 different kind of series that will definitely will ask in number series. So share this important video to our friends and family members. And if you're not yet subscribed to Maths Logic Creator, subscribe and hit bell icon for further updates. Thanks for watching. Thank you.